What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on this, the Moto G Play 2023. As y'all can see, it says it right here. Got the charger, manual, and that little thing you use to open up to put SD card in. So yeah, I'm about to be doing a unboxing, but before we get started, for those that's watching, please like this video, comment down below what y'all think, and subscribe if you're new here. Alright, y'all ready? Let's begin. Alright, so as y'all can see, this is the box, which is what I already showed y'all. This ain't nothing. Before I unbox a product, I like to show how the box look from front, back, and the sides. As y'all can see, this is a Motorola phone. Now, I held a Motorola smartphone before, but it was just as like for a work phone when I made content on it. So I'm about to show y'all how it looks. That's what I meant. Got to turn the flash on so y'all can see. So I already showed y'all the box. This ain't nothing. This just from the SIM card. So this is how the product look. This got the screen protector on it. That's the power button. This one, these the volume keys. This the camera. This the logo, Motorola. They got the charging port thing right there. And this is where the SIM card and this is where I got my SIM card. I'm gonna put it aside later on. So yeah, this is my phone case for it. This is the manual. Gotta have the manual to know the stuff about the phone. This is how you put the SIM card. This the instructions. This ain't nothing. This is terms and conditions. This is terms and conditions in Spanish. This, which I already have, this is the thing you use to open up to put like your SD card or the SIM card, but the SIM card is already inside. But I got an SD card that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put my phone inside in this later on in this video. And last, the charger. This is the back charger. This is the wire for it. So yeah. This is the SD card, 16 gigabytes. Time to put it inside. Now I'm about to power it on. It's gonna take a minute. As y'all can see, I got this is for Metro. Alright, so this is how the lock screen looks. As y'all can see. This is a quick display. This is the home screen. No apps installed yet until after the end of this video. So I'm about to test out the camera, test out the ringtones. Timo installed. That's cool. I gotta do the steps. But first I'm gonna do the sounds. The sound's a little loud, but it's all good. At least it works. Well, that's it for the sounds. Oh, it says right here. That's probably why it's so loud like that. But it's all good. Alright, it says that it's been finished, so I'm going to click start. It says it's going to take a minute to get the phone ready. Say I want to transfer my information like my contacts, find other device cable. Already got one already. It says insert cable to another device. Connect both devices. Alright, I'm about to connect my phone to my laptop. Oh, it wasn't charged in all. It wasn't plugged in all the way. Alright. So I tried to connect my phone to my laptop, but it wasn't working. Alright, say enter email. Alright. I did it another way, so this is done. Alright, so my Google account has been set. Now I'm about to try the wallpapers. I don't know if these apps were installed, but I'm about to uninstall because I don't play none of these games unless it's Roblox or PUBG Mobile. I'm able to get into the Play Store. I'm about to do the apps later on. First, I'm about to check out the wallpapers and then show y'all the battery, even though the battery is pretty good, and then do the camera. As y'all can see, the battery is pretty good. It said I got 2 hours left for it to be full. Now I'm about to do the wallpapers. As y'all can see, this is lock screen. Oh, they got different ones. That's cool. Oh, that's cool. They got more. Oh, that's cool. They got more. Landscapes. Oh, that's cool. Art. I love art. I'm an artist. I love art. It's crazy. Earth. Solid colors. Geometric shapes. Last seascapes. Well, that's it for the wallpapers. Now I'm about to check out the camera. Oh, this got interactive or live wallpapers. Let's see. Let me try it out. Y'all just want to try out one. Oh, that's cool. I'll do home screen. Oh, that's cool. Alright, now I'm about to try the camera. Before this video is almost over. Open the Moto camera. Not now. No thanks. Wow. The camera quality on here looks amazing. Wow. Look at that. Oh, this how you go close like that? Or probably just because I'm holding my other phone while I'm using this one. This, oh, this a pro? They got a pro version on here? I remember seeing on my other Motorola phone I had. I don't know what this is for. I guess this is like settings for like photos and videos, I think. I don't know. I got CapCut installed now. So, let me see. Let me try to take a picture. Just to test it out. It's nice. It's amazing. Now, now I'm about to make a quick little video. It's recording. I can pause it as well. Alright. Yeah, I'm just testing. I just want to test out the sound, show off my picture, and just let my voice be heard for a few seconds. Alright, so now I'm about to test out the sound. The video I made just then. Alright. Yeah, I'm just testing. I just want to test out. As y'all can see. Now, show off my picture and just let my voice be heard for a few seconds. Alright, so as y'all can see, the sound is pretty good. I can hear my voice a little louder. The camera quality is amazing on video and taking pictures as well. This is the flash, which everybody know. This is audio, the timer, settings. I don't know what that green light is for. I guess that means that I'm recording or about to record or still recording. I don't know. But these are the settings for it, for those that's planning on getting this. So, yeah, that's it. This is my face of me recording on here on the phone that I'm unboxed for y'all. So, yeah. I don't know what the panorama is for. I don't use that. I guess I gotta take pictures, I think. I don't know. Now, some people may think this phone is the worst phone, but it's really a great phone to be $150. So, for those that's planning on getting this phone, then feel free, because this phone has excellent features and it's good to have for $150. Well, this is it, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. This is me showing y'all me unboxing and doing a review on the Moto G 2023. As y'all can see, that's what it's called, the name of the product. I got some apps installed on here so far, like Tik Tok, Roblox, TikTok, the YouTube studio, when I make my videos on here. I got Instagram. I was going to install Instagram, but I already got it on my tablet, so I might not install it on here. Since I got it already on here, that way I have more space to make longer videos. So, yeah, hope y'all enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Make sure that y'all like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll answer them ASAP. Well, this is it, y'all. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.